Hello everyone, today is 8th April 2021, a beautiful day. Right now it is 70 degree Fahrenheit, unbelievable. But I believe in these previous 2 weeks and next weeks this is the highest temperature. The next 7-8 days it will be close to 70 but not 70, it will be in 60s. So today is the most beautiful day of these 4 weeks, I can say. Anyway, I wanted to talk about a few other plants today, but before that I saw this yellow forsythia bloomed, so I thought let me show you. It started yesterday little bit and today it looks little more fuller, and yesterday it was very little like kind of partially opened. So this is the second season of this plant. I planted 2 years ago. So last year first time it bloomed. The previous year only leaves I saw, and I bought after April when the bloom was already over 2 years ago. So that year only leaves was there. I mean they grew only leaves, and so this is last year also it bloomed, and this year too. I believe last year little bit less flower than this much. So this is one of the plant I was very new when I moved to America, and every year when they bloom, being the one of the first blooming flower of the season in spring, other than crocus, this is the shrub we see blooming in March. And I think this plant is very new to the ground, and not settled maybe very well in the ground. That's why it is blooming little late March or beginning of April, you can say. Otherwise in our area, in my neighborhood, in other houses, I saw this blooming since last week. So just I thought let me show you. I have very sweet memory with this forsythia. When my sons were very young, I used to take a lot of pictures in my neighborhood wherever we lived with this forsythia plant. So that's why I also wanted one in my garden. This is the anemone. I saw you yesterday or day before yesterday also, I think. The blue one I planted in the innermost circle, I think in 3-4 places, but somehow I see only one there. 2 other places I'm not seeing. Then one more, this is the second one, which is white. I bought the packet which looked blue blooming, but I saw only one bulb out of those 18 bloomed white, and this is the one. Others were all purple, the other one that I showed you. So this bloomed today. Daffodil started blooming. So this year I think in fall I have planted this. This is new. So first time I am seeing this flower. The other high daffodils I have, like previous years, those are all mostly yellow of different variety, but of different color. This is the one. Yeah, so pretty. And here also, but the other one is more opened. This is maybe tomorrow it will open properly. So this is near my lilac, on both side of the new dawn climbing rose. First I showed you the other daffodil bloomed, and then this one. And close to this, this is the left side of my big circle. This is the left side. Here I came here to show you. This is the first lilac I planted 3 years ago. Near the left side, that is the California climbing rose, which blooms orange color, and 3 color guard yucca, 1 2 3, those 3 color guard yucca I have planted. So in this row here, Here actually, when I planted 8 climbing roses initially in 2014 or 15, I planted one pink floribunda kind of climbing rose here, and after 3 years it died. When I did not have fence, I told you already, I mentioned, somehow the deers ate every time they had new leaves, and after 3 years that plant died. So and I had already made the hole. So 3 years ago, when this is my first lilac plant, and I have the tag, I can show you which variety it is. This is the one, Jolly. This is the variety I have planted here 3 years ago, and I can see it is green. You can see this one, see, so it is alive and it will come. This is my first lilac. Then left side of this new dawn climbing rose, I have this another variety which I bought. This is the one. This is the one, Vulgaris purple. So Vulgaris purple I have planted here. So earlier I did not know, but with time I learned these lilacs, they are fragrant, their blooms have nice fragrant. So left side I planted that type, and the right side, which I sowed first, the daffodils. So here this one is this variety, the Sensation lilac I planted last year. So it will be little bit like in the blooms the borders are white. So this is that variety. I just did not plant all these in one day. First I planted the 3 years ago one, and then this I added last year, because this Sensation lilac I found only last year, not before that. But when I planted my first lilac, then I was in search of other variety also, because of their fragrance like peony. I wanted more and more in my garden. So now I came to the south side near my gala apple. So that bent tree is my gala apple. So I have these grasses, which is zebra grass. I have in 6th place around the big circle, and close to the gala apple, before this grass, I have this another lilac, this one, which is the ordinary purple lilac. This one, this is the ordinary purple lilac. Before the Sensation I bought it, it is now 2 years now, but the plant was very tiny, very tiny root, and I found in a very cheap price, so I thought, okay, I will plant it somewhere. And one I planted here and one on my west garden. So I divided the plant. When I opened the packet, I saw there are 4 roots. So 2 roots I planted here and 2 roots on the west side garden. So that is the Sensation, lilac Sensation, then the new dawn climbing rose, and then the other side is this one I have, the purple Vulgaris, the plain. So next to the Sensation, lilac Sensation, I have this Paliban lilac. This is the tag. This is the Paliban lilac. This is also 3 years old. This will be the 3rd season. So this was already a plant and it had a lot of blooms when I bought. And so seeing the plant also, you can say, see, they have so many branches because it was already plant, and nearly half of this size it original size was also kind of half of this size when I bought. And it is relatively, what I have observed, relatively it is, the flowers are the size of individual flowers is smaller than the other variety. So this is the Pali one, and others are little bigger. Individual flowers are little bigger than the size. And this is here. These are all the other tags I collected, and this is the Sensation, which is here. So this is last spring I planted. That is the third. That is this is the third season it will be, and that plant is second season, and next to that other, next to the bag when I showed you the first one, that is also third season. So, and one I have in the back. So now I bought two more that I wanted to show you. So these are all the varieties that I showed you. I have already planted these. This is the newer. This is the first lilac I planted, and then this one, then these two, and then this one, and then this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 variety, actually 5 I think. This purple is same as this one. So when I was searching all these, then I knew there is a variety blue. There is a variety of, see, Wonder Blue it is written. So there is a variety blue. I did not remember whether it is hardy in my zone or not, but I had seen when I searched the variety of lilac, then I saw there is a blue variety also. So when I found this time, it's nearly 3 weeks I believe. So 3 weeks back in Home Depot, I bought one. So this is the blue I did not have. So this is one variety, and one more is the white one. Here it is. See, so it is Madame Lemoine. I may be pronouncing wrong. So Madame Lemoine or Lemoine, something like that. So anyway, so it was in my mind to find one white one if I get, and this will be 3 to 4 meter, 10 to 12 feet, and this will be 1.5 meter, 5 feet. So I believe I have one of these will be also 10 12 feet, something like that. See this one, this will be 10 to 12 feet. This is this is 8 to 10 feet. This will be 10 to 12 feet. Others are smaller than that. And anyway, so here the white one will be taller, and the blue one will be 5 feet. So most of them are 5 feet. So I just wanted to show you these two I got, and I was waiting for a good temperature when I bought. For example, this branch, it was very tiny, kind of this, it was up to here. So in 3 weeks they grew so good, so well inside the house. I did not want them to grow so fast inside the house. I wanted them to grow outside, but it just happened. So it's nearly 3 weeks only, but because they are nicely with the compost and potted well, so that's how it is. I just wanted to show you before I put them in the ground. So this week it is very good. Either today or tomorrow I am going to plant all both of them. So before planting, I just wanted to show you how it is originally when I bought. So you can say, because the stem is here, right? The stem is here. So these tiny branches were like this branch, for example, this one, they were like this, and quickly they grew so big. I thought of taking a picture originally, but I was thinking maybe this, and these are hardy in my zone, So I was thinking I may plant them quickly in 2-3 days, but it just did not happen, and they grew so fast before I can catch their original catch their image in my camera before they grow. But anyway, just see them before they go to the ground how it is.